Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cotton candy cake, easy method. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and line a 9-inch pan, then mix batter with cake mix, oil, eggs, and a swirl of cotton candy flavoring. Fold in pastel sprinkles gently, pour into pan, and bake until a toothpick comes out clean. Cool completely before frosting with stabilized whipped cream and extra spun sugar for decoration and serve. Start by measuring ingredients precisely and use room temperature eggs and oil for smoother batter. Sift dry mix to avoid lumps, then add cotton candy extract in small amounts to control sweetness. Use a hand mixer on low speed and fold air into the batter for light texture. Bake in the center of the oven and rotate halfway to ensure even browning, then cool fully before layering and serving. Quick recommendation: if you're staying in the kitchen a long time, stay hydrated and consider the Owala water bottle for easy sipping between steps. It's leak-resistant, keeps drinks cold, and fits cup holders so you can bake hands-free. If you like this helpful tip, please subscribe and like the video. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Thanks everyone, and now let's get back to the video. Make a stabilized whipped cream by beating heavy cream with powdered sugar and a touch of gelatin or cream cheese for structure. Chill the bowl and whip until soft peaks form, then fold in pastel food coloring sparingly. Layer cake, spread frosting thinly between layers, and finish with a thicker coat outside. Garnish with spun sugar and sprinkles right before serving to keep the candy texture intact and enjoy immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.